Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to import your advanced scheduler triggers into Cron To Go for a quick migration. We'll start by ensuring we've got API access to Advanced Scheduler. Check that your add-on plan allows API access, which is required for smooth migration. If not, we'll upgrade to a plan that does. Don't worry about billing. We'll be using it only for a few minutes and billing is prorated, so you won't incur any high costs for this. We'll upgrade through the app dashboard by clicking on Resources, opening the add-on menu, and then clicking on Modify Plan. Then we'll pick the plan that supports service APIs. Next, we'll install Cron To Go by typing in Cron, picking the plan, and submitting the form. Now, let's open Advanced Scheduler's dashboard to generate an API key and copy it to the dashboard. If you are already on a plan that supports API calls, you may just have to reveal the API key and copy it. Otherwise, click Generate API Token and follow the instructions. Then, reveal the token and copy it to your clipboard. Go back to the app dashboard to open Cron To Go's dashboard. Click Import Jobs and select Advanced Scheduler from the list of available sources. In the text box, paste the token and click Start Import. The list of triggers from Advanced Scheduler will be displayed. The newly created jobs will all be disabled, so they won't collide with the jobs triggered by Advanced Scheduler. All that's left to do is click the button to start the import process. You'll see the jobs being created, and when they're done, you can go back to the dashboard to view and modify them. To enable a job, click the menu item and then Resume Job. Last but not least, if you had to upgrade Advanced Scheduler's plan to import the jobs, don't forget to modify the plan back to your original plan or uninstall it altogether. Thanks for tuning in. We've got plenty of other handy tutorials at your disposal explaining other features and actions applicable to Cron To Go. Feel free to check those out. Happy importing, and we hope to catch you in the next one.